In this video, we offer a series of easy methods to resolve the error code 0x204 when attempting to establish a remote desktop connection with a PC from a Mac device. Firstly, ensure remote desktop is enabled on the PC computer you are attempting to access. To open the Run window, hit the Win+R keys. After that, enter System Properties RemoteX and hit Enter. Next, select the Remote tab to see if there is a check mark beside Allow Remote Assistance Connections to this computer. Check if error code 0x204 is still showing on your Mac computer. If so, try the next solution. Secondly, allow remote desktop connections by configuring Windows Firewall. On your PC, open the Run dialog using the Win+R key combination. Enter Firewall CPL and hit Enter. After that, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Tick Remote Assistance Remote Desktop. Ensure the private and public boxes are checked. If the error persists, try the next solution. The third solution is to create Windows Remote Assistance invitations. Hit the Win+R keys on the PC. Enter MSROX. After that, choose Invite someone you trust to help you. Hit Save. This invitation is a file. Define the save path for the invitation and click Save. If none of the solutions outlined above solve the error, then you should attempt to reinstall the remote desktop client on the Mac. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave the comments below.